Welcome to NM's Arena. In this video, let us try to solve some problems using quadratic formula method. Quadratic formula is x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now, let us try to solve a problem. The question is x raised to 4 minus 10x square plus 9 is equal to 0. This is not in the quadratic equation form. Quadratic equation form is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So, here instead of x raised to 4, there must be x square. And here instead of x square, there must be x. Only then it can be in quadratic equation form. Only if an equation is in quadratic equation form, we can solve it using quadratic formula method. So, in order to solve this problem using quadratic formula method, we have to convert this into quadratic equation. Let us see how we are going to convert it. We are taking x square is equal to y. When x square is equal to y, x raised to 4 becomes y square and x square becomes y. Then this equation will be y square minus 10y plus 9 is equal to 0. Thus, we got it in the quadratic equation form. Now we can apply the quadratic equation formula. Let us put these values in the formula. Minus 10 is put here. Here it is minus b. So, minus 10 becomes plus 10 plus or minus square root of b square, that is minus 10 square, minus 4ac, 4 into 1 into 9 divided by 2a, 2 into 1, that will be y is equal to 10 plus or minus square root of 100 minus 36 divided by 2. On solving the quadratic equation, we get y is equal to 10 plus or minus 8 divided by 2. That can be either 10 plus 8 by 2 or 10 minus 8 by 2. If it is 10 plus 8 by 2, then the value of y will be 9. And if it is 10 minus 8 by 2, then the value of y is 1. And then we know that y is equal to x square. Then what will be the value of x? X will be equal to square root of y. So, when y is equal to 1, x will be equal to square root of 1. And square root of 1 means plus or minus 1. And when y is equal to 9, then x will be equal to square root of 9. That means x is equal to plus or minus 3. Thus, we get 4 values for x. X is equal to 1, minus 1, 3 and minus 3. That is how we solve this equation. And now let us try to solve another problem which is almost similar to the previous one. Here we are asked to solve x raised to 10 minus 33x raised to 5 plus 32 is equal to 0. Now this is not in quadratic equation form, so we have to convert it into quadratic equation form as we have done in the previous problem. Here it is x raised to 10. So in order to make it square, we have to put x raised to 5 is equal to y. Then the equation will be like y square minus 33y plus 32 is equal to 0. Now this is in quadratic equation form. Then we can apply the quadratic formula and we can put these values into the formula. It will be 33 plus or minus square root of minus 33 square minus 4 into 1 into 32 divided by 2 into 1. Then we will get y is equal to 33 plus or minus square root of 1089 minus 128 divided by 2, that is equal to 33 plus or minus square root of 961 divided by 2. On solving it, we get y is equal to 33 plus or minus 31 divided by 2. It may be 33 plus 31 by 2 or 33 minus 31 by 2. If it is 33 plus 31 by 2, then the value of y will be equal to 32. And if it is 33 minus 31 by 2, then the value of y will be 1. And we know that x raised to 5 is equal to y. Then we have to find the value of x. If y is equal to x raised to 5, then x will be equal to fifth root of y. So when y is equal to 32, x will be equal to 2. And when y is equal to 1, then x will also be equal to 1. Thus we get two values for x. X is equal to 2 and 1. That is how we solve such a question. So that is how we convert the equations in other forms into quadratic equations. And then we can apply any of the methods required for solving quadratic equations. In this video, we have solved those equations using the quadratic formula method. Thank you for watching this video. For more videos, subscribe the channel.